Think you're safe from ransomware? Think again. Here's how to protect your Microsoft 365 from the bad guys. First up, enable multi-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring 2 or more verification factors. It's like having a double lock on your door. Go to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, navigate to Users, then Active Users, and select multi-factor authentication. Next, leverage advanced threat protection. Features like safe links and safe attachments help block malicious content before it reaches your inbox. Head to the Microsoft 365 Defender portal and set up these policies under Threat Policies. Don't forget to implement regular backups and data recovery procedures. Use OneDrive for automatic backups and test your recovery process regularly. This ensures you can restore data without paying a ransom. Configure conditional access policies to set specific conditions for accessing Microsoft 365 resources. Go to the Microsoft Entra Admin Center, navigate to Security, then Conditional Access, and create policies based on user and device conditions. Finally, educate and train users. Conduct regular cybersecurity training and use simulated phishing attacks to test and improve awareness. Well-informed users are your first line of defense. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce your risk of falling victim to ransomware. Stay proactive, keep your security measures up to date, and protect your Microsoft 365 environment.